Welcome to My Day My Choice, where we celebrate plus-size brocade mother of the bride dresses. Brocade is rich, textured, and timeless, perfect for the big day. Today we explore styles that flatter, fabrics that support, and colors that glow in photos. You will learn simple tips that make choosing easy. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, let us begin with confidence and joy for a beautiful celebration. Brocade is a woven fabric with raised patterns that feel luxurious and strong. For plus-size mothers, this structure gives gentle support and smooth shape. The fabric holds pleats and seams well, so skirts and bodices keep their design. You get comfort, style, and confidence together. Choose mid-weight brocade that drapes, not stiff armor. Look for a little stretch. This balance helps you move, sit, and dance all night without stress. Let's talk shapes. A-line dresses are great because they define the waist and flow over hips. An empire waist sits higher and gives room for the tummy while keeping elegance. Fit and flare adds playful movement to the skirt. Sheath styles can work with a matching jacket for coverage. Always check how the dress moves from the side. Turn, sit, and lift your arms. Comfort and poise should always come before trends. Color matters. Brocade often mixes subtle shine with rich shades. Jewel tones like emerald, sapphire, and burgundy flatter many skin tones. Soft champagne, pewter, or rose gold look truly elegant in day or evening light. Ask about the wedding palette so your dress complements, not competes. Small floral or damask patterns read classy in photos. Sure, take test pictures in daylight and indoors. The right color supports your glow. Necklines and sleeves shape the whole look. A soft V-neck lengthens the neck and frames the face. Scoop or boat necks give graceful coverage without feeling heavy. Three-quarter sleeves are popular, offering comfort and movement. If you like sleeveless, consider a matching bolero or wrap for the ceremony. Choose supportive undergarments that are smooth and breathable. Thanks for watching My Day My Choice. You are worthy of a dress that respects your shape, honors your role, and sparkles with love. Brocade offers structure, beauty, and comfort for the big day. Try styles, trust tailoring, and choose colors that lift your spirit. For dress ideas, check the Amazon affiliate links in the description below. I earn a small commission and you pay no extra cost. Celebrate confidently.